Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what could easily be called the best Samsung 40-inch smart TV for 2025. The Samsung 40-inch class Full HD F6000 Smart TV. If you're in the market for a compact, feature-packed TV that delivers on picture quality, smart functionality, and security, this model deserves your attention. Right from the start, the Samsung F6000 grabs your eye with its sleek and modern design. The slim profile and nearly bezel-less 3-bezel design make it a stylish addition to any room, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your content without distractions. The compact 40-inch screen size makes it a perfect fit for smaller spaces like bedrooms, kitchens, or cozy living rooms. When it comes to picture quality, this TV steps up with full HD 1080p resolution, delivering significantly clearer visuals compared to standard HD TVs. The inclusion of High Dynamic Range, or HDR, enhances contrast dramatically, expanding the difference between the lightest and darkest parts of any scene. This means you get a wider range of vibrant colors and sharper details that make movies, shows, and games come alive in vivid realism. Samsung also introduces their Pure Color technology in this model, which enriches the color spectrum to produce lifelike, natural hues. Whether it's the rich greens of a forest or the vibrant blues of the ocean, colors pop with depth and accuracy, making every viewing experience visually stunning. Audio is often overlooked, but Samsung has given this TV a special touch with their object tracking sound light technology. This feature creates virtual 3D sound that follows the action on screen, positioning audio spatially to immerse you more deeply into your favorite content. While it's a lighter version of Samsung's full object tracking sound, it still offers a more dynamic and engaging listening experience compared to basic built-in speakers. Security is a standout feature here, thanks to Samsung Knox security integration. This provides triple-layer protection for your TV, defending against harmful apps, phishing attempts, and securing sensitive information like your PINs and passwords. Knox also safeguards any Internet of Things devices connected through your TV, adding an important layer of protection in a smart home setup. The F6000 runs on Samsung's intuitive One UI powered by the Tizen operating system. This smart TV platform offers easy access to over 2,700 free channels, including more than 400 premium channels through Samsung TV Plus, all without a subscription. Whether you want to watch live news, sports, movies, or kids programming, there's a wealth of content available, and new channels are frequently added to keep things fresh. Setting up this TV is straightforward, with the included stand, remote control, power cable, and user manual guiding you through the process. While the setup is designed to be automated for convenience, the user interface remains user-friendly, making navigation a breeze for both tech-savvy users and beginners. Physically, the TV measures approximately 36.3 inches wide, 21.8 inches tall, and 6.7 inches deep with the stand attached. It weighs around 13 pounds, making it easy to move and mount. The build quality reflects Samsung's reputation, with a sturdy frame and a clean, minimalist look. This model comes from Mexico, ensuring quality manufacturing standards, and includes 2 AAA batteries for the remote right out of the box. The aspect ratio is the standard 16:9, perfect for widescreen viewing experiences across all your favorite media. Overall, the Samsung 40-inch Full HD F6000 Smart TV is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting a compact, stylish, and smart TV experience without compromising on picture quality, sound, or security. It's a feature-rich TV that blends excellent visual technology with smart home compatibility, offering a future-proof entertainment option for 2025. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.